So here are the glitter actions that you get with any of your Sparkle downloads. And you start up here, choose your Sparkle. As always, comes up with instructions. So let's use the Sparkly Bokeh. Which one shall we use? Go for Glimmer. So you hit place, the action will play out. And there you go. You can resize this, you can move it, you can put it, you know, wherever you like. I'm going to brush some of these away from his hair. You can add as many as you like as well. They're all for a very realistic look. Which one? Radiance is nice. This is great for more up close, so you could always add one for kind of behind and one for up close. So before and after, super easy to add, especially if you use the action, it will set it for you. If you do it manually, you just got to set them to screen. You have other actions here with them, such as golden sparkles. This will really goldify the sparkles if they're not gold already. You can make them silver, you can make them rainbow colour, or you can choose your own colour. The rainbow one's quite an advanced action, so it will play out for a little while. Can you see here? So we have rainbow sparkles. You can also paint on, you know, different colours if you want to. For example, too many are red or too many are green or something like that. So that's the rainbow sparkles action. You can choose your own colour. You can blur sparkles if you want them to like look like they're in the background or something. You can use the blur action. And then you have some finishes that come with that really complement the glitter. For example, the LSP signature finish will play out and really kind of tweak your image gently. Can you see that? Just gives it that little bit of a cooler kind of pow, deep contrast, light contrast. The mauve finisher really complements glitter here. Take some of those yellows out. I really like. So before and after.